Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, I guess not updates need to be made. Probably confirmation would be more of an accurate term. And I'll get to that in a second. But really, there's two ways to look at the chart. First, just looking at today in and of itself. So blocking everything out and just looking at today. If you were to do that, today can be easily summarized with some technical jargon known as a gap and trap. Meaning on Tuesday, the price closed right there. And then this morning, the price opened there. So hence the gap up. So there was the gap. Problem is, right after the markets opened, it just went straight back down and did not maintain the gains at all. So today, in and of itself, a gap and trap. Now, looking at more than just one day, yeah, it was a bearish day today in that regard, but from the grand scheme of things, everything is still perfectly fine, and that's where this green line comes into play that I've talked about several times before as the level of support. And you can see after the gap and trap downwards, found some support right around that green line. Later on in the afternoon, bounced right off that green line. So point here being, yeah, when you look at more than just one day, yeah, today in and of itself wasn't very ideal, but it's not like the chart totally collapsed or anything like that. So 207 confirmed, and that general area still remains a level of support. And then the other point of confirmation regards that this area up here at 215-ish is still a level of resistance. Yes, it was broken this morning with the gap up. Problem is, that the price just simply didn't stay up that long or stay up above there that long, and price fell right back below it. So therefore, that level still remains that area of resistance. So nothing new to update in regards to annotations as far as supports and resistances are concerned. There we go. That was a mouthful. But as far as today, not the greatest day, but remember, there's more than just one day that makes up a chart. And looking at multiple days, you can see that the trend is still upwards, that the bulls are still working on building a higher base. So let's see if they can eventually get another break of that level. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.